Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry I'm a day late or so getting this video up, but today we are going to check out my February 2019 Yes Oh Yes bag subscription, whatever it is. This is my 12th one, so I've been with them officially for a year now, and let's just get into it and let's see if we can actually pull it apart. Sometimes I have a hard time and have to cut it, but I think use these great big muscles and we can get it done. Alright, so let's just go for it. Alright, there it goes. So here's our card this month, and it's kind of wrinkly, but it is love themed, of course, for Valentine's Day. It's February 2019. Our total suggested MSRP is $93. And if you are unaware, Yes Oh Yes is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription that is, I believe it's $14.99 a month plus $3.99 a month for shipping. This is the only one that I know of that you do pay shipping for, but still, all in all, under 20 bucks. If you like this box or bag or whatever we call it, I don't even know, I don't even care. If you like this month's subscription, then go ahead and click the link down below. It is an affiliate link, and that will take you over to where you can order your own monthly subscription, and it is really easy to go ahead and unsubscribe or cancel if you want to do that at a later date, if it doesn't work in your budget, if you're not liking your products, whatever. They are really easy to work with, and also their customer service is by far the best that I've dealt with. I've been with BoxyCharm for about twice as long as I've been with Yes Oh Yes, and I will tell you what, hands down from the beginning, Yes Oh Yes has beaten BoxyCharm on customer service. They reply almost immediately. If I have an issue, then they're just, what can we do to help? And after you've been subscribed to them for 12 full months, gotten 12 full bags, then you get a special kind of bonus thank you for sticking with us, kind of like a mystery bag subscription. So mine should be on its way, and when it gets here, I will go ahead and unbox that for you and let you all see if it's worth it to stick around with them for so long. But let's get into today's bag. The first thing I'm seeing, I'm just going to show you guys, are these INMO brushes. There are 3 of them. They look like an eye set. Can you see those? There's an angle, like a shorter one, almost like well, it tells us what they are. So there's a concealer brush and a small angled brush and a crease brush. I don't need new brushes out right now, so I'm not going to open these yet. I will tell you that they don't feel super heavy, but they feel decently weighted. This is a Morphe brush, and it's actually a Morphe crease brush, hey, and they feel about the same. So that is good. They don't feel too cheap, and the handles are super cute. They're gold, kind of. Honestly, they kind of look like a gold version of the Jeffree Star brushes. I don't know, I didn't get those. I wasn't interested in them. You know, just something about brushes with white bristles is not my thing. And I don't really need any more Morphe brushes. I've kind of started moving away from Morphe brushes. Some of them are nice. They do have some nice ones, and they're pretty affordable for the most part, but I've noticed, like, let me show you. This is my favorite, like, blender brush, and this is a Morphe M576, and if you've been with me for long, you know that I use this every day. So I wash this about once every week or 2 weeks, but it has started to like break down. So you can see the shape is kind of like getting a little frayed. And to be honest, like, it has started getting really pokey on my eyes, and that sucks. So, and I've noticed that with a lot of my Morphe brushes after I have washed them a couple of times, like, they don't cooperate the same. They don't feel the same. So I'm kind of straying away, and I've moved over and gotten some Sigma brushes. This is a Sigma E40 tapered blending brush, which is a good brush, and it's really soft, and I already have washed this a couple of times, but it just doesn't compare with this one. They're similar shaped, but for some reason I like the shape of this one better, so I'm going to keep searching and see if I can find a replacement that's not Morphe for that. But we'll see. Anyway, we got those brushes, and this is the J.Cat Holy Addiction Pro Define Eyeliner. And this is in Shimmering Bronze. Let's see what my opening scales are like today. If you all were wanting an update on my previous BoxyCharm unboxing, I'll go ahead and link it here. I was finally able to get them to reach back out to me. It's been about a week, and after basically accosting them with, hey, my shit's broken, my shit's missing, like, what happened here? They finally got back to me. I sent them emails, the proper chain, emails. I actually DM'd them on Twitter. I sent a message to them, I tweeted, hey, BoxyCharm, what's going on, whatever. You can see my tweet, all of my social media is listed below. You can see my tweet to them. They DM'd me, hey, we'll look into this. 2 days later, I was like, hey, I did what you asked me to do. Instagram, same thing. They finally got back to me and said that they would send me out a new primer, and I should watch for tracking information. Still haven't gotten tracking information. I don't know. Most people say that when they replace an item, it comes in the next box. So we will see, because I did cancel, but I prepay for my subscription. So I think I have like 2 or 3 more boxes coming before my cancellation actually kind of kicks in. So we will see. I don't know. Here is that bronze color. Let's get off my face there. It's not too bad. It's almost an orangey brown. It's not too metallic, not too shimmery. It is a wooden pencil. It's not the softest thing, but the color payoff isn't too bad. The next thing we have, it doesn't have a safety seal on it at all, is a Kokie Professionals Velvet Smooth Eyeliner. It's waterproof in 531 Forest Green. Let me show you that. And let's swatchy. And this one is much higher class. And look at that green. That is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the green. I don't have another green like that either. So that's exciting. Super exciting. The next thing we got is this Bang Beauty mutilated box. It was kind of open, but the lipstick is still in here. This is a lip crayon in Kick Your Mama Orange. Okay. It is very, very slippery and very orange. This might be a spring color, summer color. It just twists up. There's a decent amount of product in there. I don't know how much this retails for. I have not yet found a Bang Beauty product that I actually like. I end up either throwing them away or giving them away because they're just, the quality isn't something that I enjoy for the most part, but we'll see. We can try out a lip crayon. Swatch that. I'm going to throw the box away so I don't try to give it away to someone. The last thing we got in this palette, or in this bag, is a palette. It's the Emerald palette by Beauty Creations. And it has this little mangled kind of sleeve on it. But the palette itself appears to be okay. Oh, there went the plastic shield. It has a decent sized mirror. And let's see if we can, well, we can almost fold it back. These are the colors in there. So we have, it's the Leprechaun Day. St. Patrick's Day coming up. So we might be able to create a cute look with this shadow. So we're going to see. It's mostly mattes. Looks like there's a couple shimmers and a couple satins. I want to, ooh, these are soft. There's that gold. Oh, I'm touching the pretties, okay? And these are all, so it's a shimmer and 2 satins. let's just see what's going on here. These actually swatch really nice. Let's see. I'm trying to wipe my hand off here, sorry. Let's see if we can do a couple of the mattes here. I'll just do these. I don't know. Oh! Okay, the mattes are a little bit chalkier, but it looks like they should blend out just by rubbing my fingers over them. Not a lot of pressure, but they appear to blend out really well, and the color payoff is pretty good with my fingers. I don't know how they'll do it with a brush. Well, I can't talk today. I don't know what's going on. But I'm pretty happy about this palette. I mean, the palette construction itself feels very cheap. I'll stop blinding you with this mirror, but it's like a weird box that's put together and stuck on this little cardboard sleeve. Yeah, I don't know. But the eyeshadows in it actually swatch pretty nicely. So that is our February 2019 Yes Oh Yes Valentine's bag. I feel like they kind of, this isn't really Valentine-y. I feel like they set us up for March. So, you know, we always get these bags a little bit late in the month. So they kind of set us up so we can do some great St. Patrick's Day looks for this by the time we get our next bag. So that's great. I am pretty happy. I think my favorite things in this bag are going to be the palette and the green Kokie eyeliner. I just can't get over the color of that, and it goes so well with this eyeshadow palette, so I'm excited about that. The brushes, awesome. Always love to get some brushes. I don't know anything about this company other than we did get a highlighter from them, I think last month, that worked actually, surprisingly enough. It looked orange, but when you put it on, it came off as kind of a champagne-y gold, and it works really well as a highlighter and an eyeshadow. So that's not bad. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this month's subscription. Would you consider getting it, or are you just gonna keep passing up on this? Let me know if your bag was the same, if you got a different variation, because I know there are some out there. But I'm gonna get off of here and finish out my night. So until next time, bye.